Christmas countdown calendars. Building anticipation with joy. The Christmas countdown calendar is more than just a way to track the days until the big celebration. It's a tradition filled with excitement and small surprises. These calendars, often filled with chocolates, small toys, or heartfelt notes, turn every day leading up to Christmas into a mini celebration. You can even customize your calendar to include meaningful activities like reading a Christmas story or writing a note of gratitude. Modern calendars have taken this tradition to a whole new level. DIY enthusiasts craft personalized versions featuring pockets, boxes, or envelopes filled with unique surprises tailored to your family's preferences. From handmade ornaments to little acts of kindness, the possibilities are endless. This is a great way to get creative and involve everyone in the process of designing something truly special. Digital countdowns are gaining popularity, offering interactive features and daily surprises. These high-tech versions include videos, puzzles, or festive challenges to enjoy together. It's the perfect way to blend tradition with technology, keeping the excitement alive for all ages. Whether you choose a classic calendar or a modern twist, this tradition is all about sharing the joy of anticipation. Each day becomes an opportunity to connect, laugh, and cherish the little moments that make the holiday season magical.